Hello, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and doing well. We have completed the first chapter, that is Black Beauty. In the second chapter, we have a poem, and the name of the poem is Come Out With Me. So let's just check what is given in the poem, what the poet wants to convey through the poem. It is written by A. Milne, and the poem goes like this. There's sun on the river and sun on the hill. You can hear the sea if you stand quite still. There's 8 new puppies at Roundabout Farm, and I saw an old sailor with only one arm. But everyone says, run along, run along, run along. All of them say, run along. I'm busy as can be. Everyone says, run along. There's a little darling. If I'm a little darling, why don't they run with me? There's wind on the river and wind on the hill. There's a dark dead water wheel under the mill. I saw a fly which had just been drowned, and I know where a rabbit goes into the ground. But everyone says, run along, run along, run along. All of them say, yes dear, and never notice me. Everyone says, run along, there's a little darling. If I'm a little darling, why won't they come and see? In the first stanza, the poet wants to convey as a child that there is sunshine on the river and the sun shines on the hill, and the child can see the sea. It's very quiet, it's very still, and then there are 8 new puppies who were running about in the farm, and the poet also saw an old sailor who had only one arm. In the second stanza, everyone is saying to run along. All of them are running, and they were saying that they are very busy. But they also notice the little darling. And the child said that if I am a little darling, then why they are not coming and playing with me? But since everyone is busy, how can they come and join her? In the third stanza, there's wind on the river and wind on the hill. There's a dark dead water wheel under the mill. I saw a fly which had just been drowned, and I know where a rabbit goes into the ground. Then a child said that in the river there is wind, in the hill there is wind. The wind is blowing everywhere. And she saw a dead, that means not in use, water wheel, a large wheel which is used in the pass to turn mills. Mills means to grind wheats and all. There a wheel is used. So there was a dark dead which is not in use, a wheel under the mill, and she also saw a fly which had just been drowned. That means maybe the fly was trying to fly in the river, and she saw the fly is drowning. And she also knows where the rabbit goes into the ground. She knows where the rabbit stays. But everyone again says that run along, we are all busy. All of them say yes dear and run and run. They never noticed her, and she's worried that if they think that I am a darling, then why they don't come and play with me? Why they don't come and see me? So the child knows that everyone is busy. As the morning starts, the sunshine is there, the winds are blowing, everyone is busy. But she wants to play. She does not have anyone to play with her. But no one is coming and playing with her. She is noticing everything. She is noticing the 8 new puppies. She is noticing the fly that has been drowned. She has noticed the wheel that is not in use anymore in the mill. Everything she is noticing. She has noticed where the rabbit goes and where they live. But no one notices her, and no one comes and play with her. She is only sad about that. So that is what given in the poem. I hope you all have understood it. If you have any doubt, you can clarify it in the evening session. Thank you.